Hey guys, this is Miss Wyckoff. Miss Coggins did a video yesterday on how to scan a written assignment and turn it in, and it's a real short video. It is very helpful. I just wanted to show you one additional thing to make it super easy. We talked about taking a picture. The easiest thing to do is take a picture straight from your Chromebook. So if I open up this assignment we were working on the other day, and delete that one. And if I want to turn in the drawing, because we had to draw a picture of a dot plot. So if I wanted to turn that in, I could come up here to insert picture, insert image. See where that little icon is? Open the drop down, go down to camera and click on that, and it opens the camera in your Chromebook. So then I can just hold up my assignment and take a picture of it. I had to put mine on a clipboard, keep it from blowing around, but you may not have that problem. So I just click on the yellow camera button. Got my image, click insert. If I don't like it, I can delete it and try it again. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure that the work that you need to turn in can be seen. And it looks like I can see that. And I'm good with that because I can grade that and see that you understand what you're doing. All right, so the image is there, and so then you just turn it in, just like you normally would turn it in. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.